everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today, we're going to list Windows startup services, and we're going to create a text report about that. So first of all, I've created a path to my desktop. This is my desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be slightly different to this, and I put os.chdr change directory to this path. In order to do that, you need to import the OS module into it here. Now what I've done is I've created a function called startup report. I've created a variable called entry and assigned it to input and told the user what to do. So this will grab the user input. Now we're going to come on to the conditional. To evaluate it, we do if entry dot lower. So that's going to reduce everything to lowercase. So if I typed in an uppercase character here, it will reduce everything to lowercase to avoid errors. If it's equal to y, we're going to print generating report. And now we're going to pause it for a second using time.sleep for 1 second. Okay, that's why we import the time module here. And then I'm going to create another function called write report. Okay, so this will just take me straight to the other function that I'm going to create in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to type in pass here because I'm not using this at the moment. Or else, if that's not the case, else print by and simply quit the program. We'll exit the program. Okay, right. We're going to go on to the report now. One of the reasons I've changed into my desktop path is because that's where I'm going to create the TXT report file. So all we have to do is use the print command to tell the user what's happening. Please wait. And we'll pause that for 1 second. It makes it look like the program is working. Time.sleep again, and just enter in the value of 1, which is 1 second. Now we're going to use os.system, and all we're going to do here is we're going to type in sc query state all, and then this is the file start up service .txt. Okay, now we're going to print it out. F report saved here, and we'll just interpolate the path there. Path, so path. Okay, made a little bit of an error there. 1 second. Okay, let's just rectify that. Okay, that should be okay. So let's just save that. And before we can run the program, we have to call it. So I'm going to call it startup report. Let's just save that and let's just run it. Okay, so here we go. So it says generate startup report. I'm going to say no. Okay, so we've exited the program. Let's run it again. Let's generate startup. I'm going to say yep. Okay, generating report, please wait. Report saved here, and let's check out the report, should we? Okay, startup services. Let's have a look at what we got here. Okay, that looks okay. These are all the services. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.